Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stopped by because you're curious what I received in the October 2022 Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so normally if you follow me, thank you. If you're new, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and click that bell icon. You're aware that I normally toss the box into the air, catch it, and do my intro. Well, look what we have here. This is how my box arrived. Is it trampled? No. Is there any kind of indentation? No. Yet, the side of the box is open. I would like to know the name of my mailman, where he lives, and... oh, that sounds very threatening. No, I just want to talk to him. Why? But at least I don't need to get my scissors, because now I can just dump everything out. If anyone's new to what Boxycharm is all about, it is a beauty subscription that comes monthly and is $28 a month. There is a $1.99 handling fee, so I like to refer to this as just a $30 box, and you get 5 full-size products where you get to select one of those items. Here is the card this month. It is really pretty and Halloween themed. It's a lot thinner, bendier, and a different size than normal. And it also is vertical instead of horizontal. Interesting. I am iteration 28 for those who keep track. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and take a look at the first item, which I'm already excited about. I can tell from the packaging. This here is from Glow Recipe, and this is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. Nola, I think you're going to have to swap this out for something else in our trade box. All right, they have the most adorable packaging. This has some heft to it, even though it's not super large. How many ml is this? 15 ml, which is normal standard for most eye creams. It does come sealed-ish with this clear plastic little lid, and there's a little bit on top. I'm not picking up a scent. Let me go deep diving to the bottle. I don't think so. Oh, interesting. For some reason I thought it was going to be a gel cream. It's gel-ish, but it's not as clear like I thought. All right. Feels lovely. I don't think there's a scent. If there is one, it's like barely there and not obnoxious. What do they say that retails for? You probably won't believe me, but I was going to guess $42. And guess what? It retails for $42. All right, next item. What do we have here? Black packaging with really pretty gold writing. There you go. Okay, so this is from LUXE, and it's a setting spray. Ooh, I did watch some PR unboxings, and this looked nice. It's very tiny. How many mLs? This is 75 mLs for a spray product that's a little small, but let's see what the spritzer's like. Ooh, that looks very promising. Fine mist. All right, let's give it a shot. Ooh, it has a nice scent. Don't ask me what. Not floral, not sweet. Almost like coconut-ish, which I guess technically is a fruit. Don't quote me on that, but it's very soft, subtle, and it dissipates quickly. What do they say that retails for? All right, the setting spray from LUXE retails for $25. All right, so far, 2 for 2. What else is in this box? All right, what do we have here? Very colorful packaging. This is from Dew of the Gods, which I've watched other people unbox, and apparently they have monks that bless all of their products. And this here is the breakfast Tahitian breakfast Dewy Collagen face primer. It comes safety sealed. I have 8 million primers open and going, so I'm just gonna keep this sealed up because it may take me a hot minute to get to it. All right, how much does that bad boy cost? Holy cow, $32. All right, well, you know, someone's got to donate to those monks. Okay, next item. All right, what is this product here? Sorry for the glare. It's Half Caked is the brand, and it's an Airbrushed Complexion. What? Is it a brush? Hold on. Oh, yes. Okay. Ooh. 2-in-1. Yes, we get 2 brushes. Let me take them out of the packaging. All right, so these are very soft. I love the color. It's kind of a soft, kind of lilac-y pink. The handles feel like fake wood. I don't know. I want to say it's wood, but maybe it's not wood, so I'm going to go with fake wood. I will never turn down a brush. Let's see how much that retails for. This here is a new launch, and it retails for $25. All right, the last item is something from Wander Beauty. I haven't gotten a product from Wander Beauty in a hot minute. What is this? All right, it's the Double Date Eyeshadow Duo, and I have the shades Swoon and Smitten. All right, it comes in this adorable packaging. It is plastic. On one end, there is like a shimmery, golden, champagne-y shimmer shade. And on the other side, there is what seems to be, yep, a cream matte shade. And it comes with a little mirror. The packaging is very similar to a blush lip balm duo I also received from Wander Beauty. What do they say that retails for? All right, the Double Date Eyeshadow Duo retails for $26. I can't believe the words are about to come out of my mouth, but I think this is a 5 out of 5 Boxycharm box for me. Well, 4.5. The primer, I got so many primers, but it is something I will eventually use. So yeah, I'll give the full point. I'm feeling generous today. Let's recap everything I got in the October 2022 box. I got a setting spray from St. Luxe, a primer from Dew of the Gods, an eyeshadow duo from Wander Beauty, a complexion brush duo from Half Caked, and the Avocado Retinol eye cream from Glow Recipe. What are your thoughts? My thoughts, I've already shared. This was a really good box in my opinion. My only complaint is with the U.S. Postal Service. What up with my box? I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I will be curious how much all of this totaled up to. Does it really matter? I know it's going to be more than the $30 I paid. This eye cream alone paid for the box, and then all of the other products, setting sprays. I love setting sprays. This eyeshadow, let's do some swatches. I'm just because it's a duo, and I usually reach for palettes. Speaking of palettes, if anyone was curious what's on my eyes, it is the month of October, and I'm going for fall eye looks. Does it get any more fall than this palette here, which is from Melt? It's the 27 palette. Let me just share the color story with you. Does it get any more fall than that? I think not. All right, back to the swatches. I was halfway correct. The other shade was a cream product, but it's not matte. It has an ever so subtle shimmery satin kind of glimmer to it. Not as glimmery as this shade, but look, both of them are beautiful, lovely, and I think would have looked really good with my current eye look. This will be definitely something that will bode well for fall eye looks. All right, I want to hear from you now. What did you think of my box? Have you gotten your box yet? Honestly, I was surprised how many items were in my box that I'd actually already seen other people unbox. Usually my boxes are very different than the PR boxes that all of the larger YouTubers get super early and unbox. But I believe they all got that primer as well as that setting spray and that Wander Beauty duo. But I'm not mad at those items. But let me know, have you gotten your box yet, and did you get any of the same items? I was also super surprised and impressed at how early I got my box. I'm filming this on October the 11th, the same day I received the box, which is a Tuesday. I know, who am I filming midweek? But I usually don't get my boxes till like the 16th, 17th. I've gotten them as late as like the 19th of the month. So for me to get it the second week, that's fantastic. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.